Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check the following trucks here. So now let's check this one. Firstly, I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any vehicle. Okay, first one, bus. First one, bus. នេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានក្រុងប្រភេទឡានក្រុងសេរីទំនើប Now check the next one. Mobil tanky. Mobil tanky អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាMobil tanky ឡាន stand ឬក៏ tank truck tank truck អានេះឲ្យឡាន stand ដែលយើងអាចដាក់ទឹកក៏បានដាក់សាំងក៏បាន Cement mixer truck cement mixer truck អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រភេទឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ង់ Special colors Speed limit 75 Okay, now check the next one. នេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានគៀដីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រភេទឡានគៀដីដែលយើងតែងតែឃើញប្រភេទឡាននេះនៅកន្លែងការដ្ឋានសាងសង់ផ្លូវឬក៏កន្លែងសាងសង់អគារផ្សេង We can see this one in construction area. Let's move to another interesting vehicle. Red super motorbike. Red police super motorbike. Everybody. Very nice. My favorite motorbike. Okay, let's go to another nice vehicle. This one is a mini airplane with 2 tails. Very nice airplane. This one can float on water. Last one, super motorbike. Everybody, if you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click a subscribe button to show your feeling to my video. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. So now, thank you for watching.